My name is Yosef Safi Harb, and I'm the founder and CEO of Happitech. For months, doctors couldn't figure out why this patient's heart was racing. They spent over 12 months and 3 different medical devices to find out what the problem was, and they still couldn't figure it out. This patient is not alone. There are 50 million patients globally that suffer from a condition, heart condition, called atrial fibrillation, and 30% of them will go undetected. It is one of the leading causes of stroke and costs the US healthcare system $10 billion on a yearly basis. Access to the device is one of the limiting factors. You need the device the moment that you feel something. You don't always have access to the device, so your doctor or your hospital ships you the device, which takes anywhere from 3 to 5 to 7 days, and then you have to send it back. It's difficult to scale, and it costs the healthcare system quite some dollars. Daily monitoring increases the chance of AFib detection, which will then lead to less hospitalization, less emergency room visits, and less cardiac complications, including stroke. The patient I was talking about is my dad, and I wanted to solve his problem. So I left my aerospace engineering job to focus on this problem, found some great cardiologists and partnered with to work on a solution that is accessible. And after 6 years of clinical studies and regulatory clearances, we found an easy solution. The answer lies in your pocket. Everybody with a phone can simply do this. By placing your finger on the camera for 90 seconds, we can highly accurately detect the presence of atrial fibrillation. Now, everybody, including my dad, has a medical device in their pocket. This allowed my father to finally detect and manage his AFib. Since going live in 2020, we've collaborated already with more than 20 hospitals, and we've become one of the largest European digital health deployments, with over 200,000 people and 12,000 hospital patients. Together with an incredible team with over 100 years experience in medtech. And this is just the beginning. Because in 2023, we're going to be supporting the GPs, the general practitioners, and home patients. And that's exactly what we're doing. We're launching a 160,000 screening campaign of high-risk patients, identify the patients at risk of stroke, together with incredible partners in the Netherlands. Now, our next step is the FDA, and with it, unlocking one of the largest cardiovascular disease market. Because unfortunately, almost half of the American adults will have some kind of cardiovascular disease. And our goal is to provide access to care the moment the patient needs it, wherever they are. Because 80% of disease is preventable if detected timely and managed properly. And that's our goal, is to become the software medical device that can extend to many more disease areas, starting with AFib, and then tackling more, reaching over 500 million patients worldwide. And that's where I need your help. We're working to get closer to our mission every day, and you can play an important role. And for our next phase, we are looking for medical device investors for a round size over 5 million, cardiology connections for physicians that are innovative, that want to collaborate, and also health plans who can help us with our go-to-market. If you can help us in one of those 3 areas, please scan this QR code or send me an email. Thank you very much for supporting us, and we'll look forward to meeting you in person one day. Thank you.